Today is Monday morning, and it's surprisingly not hardly cold at all. Today it's going to get up to 48 degrees. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a short small hike. It's only a 2.6 mile hike, and it's called the Battleground Lake Loop. I figured I'd just get out and about today since it's not like in the 20-degree weather and it's freezing cold. It is still a little cold, but not as bad. And since it's my only day off of the week, figured I'd take the opportunity to go out and just walk around. So it's a nice little area. There's a lot of people actually here. I'm surprised. You guys can see the parking lot. There's quite a few cars. This section of the park has two different trails that you can go on. You can do the inner loop, which I don't know how long that trail is, but you can do the outer loop, which is what we're doing. Now on the All Trails app, it says it's 2.6 miles, but on the sign over there, it says it's only 2.5 miles. So we'll see how long it is. So, I believe we're going to go to the right, but I don't see anybody here. Even though there's a lot of cars in the parking lot, I don't see anybody. They got some campgrounds here you can definitely camp out at. Oh, there's the lake down there. Wait for the sun to come out. It's a little chilly. That's Washington weather for you. And of course, Midnight has to pee every 5 minutes. Oh, it's nice though through here. It's nice not running across people constantly. And just, it feels like we have a whole trail to ourselves. I don't get to hike very often now, just because we're in the winter season here and it's getting cold on top of, the mountains getting a lot of snow. But this is a nice little area. It's another little campground right there. Be a nice time to go take the kids camping during the summer. This hike that we're doing, it's easy, so any kids can do it. It's all pretty level, nothing too difficult. I'm trying to walk a little faster because it's cold. My hands are freezing, but it's beautiful seeing all the fall colors, the leaves turning yellow and orange and red. It's pretty. You guys hear that? You guys can hear the birds or crickets. Okay, so the way we're going to go now is we're going to continue to go to the outer lake loop trail, but we're going to go down this way, which we're going to go check out the lake. There's the lake. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Look at this, guys. Be careful though, it's really muddy and slippery. But look at this lake. Wow, that is really beautiful. Sometimes pictures don't do it justice when you're looking at lakes or any types of mountains, because it's really beautiful, and pictures just don't say it all sometimes. But it's pretty. There's people down there fishing right there on that dock. If you guys see this trail right here, it goes all the way around the lake. So this is the inner loop that you can do around the lake. But we're doing the upper loop. So either way, it doesn't matter which trail we do. They're both really pretty. But yeah, let's continue on to our trail. There's a whole bunch of people fishing right there. And there's people over there too. So I actually decided to do the lower part of, or the inner loop of the trail. I just thought it might be a little bit more beautiful because it's walking around the lake. And heck, who knows what we get to see. Maybe some ducks, whatever's pondering on the lake. It's beautiful. You guys can see the lake behind me. Yeah. Those mushrooms on these trees. They're all on this tree. You guys can see the clouds right there. So quiet. Buddy, what is that? What's that noise, huh? Do you hear something? Sniff, sniff. Poor bird right there on that log. I don't know what he's doing. He's flapping his wings. Tiny little cave up there. See, it's right there. We're almost coming to the end of our trail. We still got a little bit left, but I can see right across the lake where the parking lot is, so it's a nice, it wasn't a hard hike, just a nice walk. I can only do so much hiking during the winter just because of the snow season and the winter season. But look at that, guys. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's nice. And it's so peaceful. I love it. It looks like a little bridge. There's a lake. Look, I don't know exactly what's on that log, but you guys can see them all lined up right there. You can hear the birds splashing. Buddy, what is that? What's that, buddy? Buddy, what you doing? So, we're coming to the end, so we're just going around this tiny little loop. And then the parking lot is just right there. Here is a shot of the whole entire lake. Look at, there is a hollow tree. Let's see if I can squeeze in there. Let's see. Oh, I cannot squeeze in here. But look at that. See what it looks like on the top. Wow, look at that. Guys, so we are by the parking lot. We just have to walk up that road a little bit to get to our car, but I want to go check out this dock right here. Could be walking on here. I can feel it moving. Kind of messes with my equilibrium. Yeah, just it's moving a lot. I don't know if I want to go to the end, but see if I can do it. Oh, it's freaky. You guys can see it moving. I just got to tell myself it's not going to fall. It's not going anywhere. Face my fear. Got to make it to the end. Ooh. Don't go over the ledge, buddy. Yep. The lake is so green. It's so beautiful. I'm so anxious to get off this duck. Oh, there's a little tiny duck right there. Right there. He's swimming all by himself. Let's get off this duck, buddy. Okay. This is going to lead us to the parking lot. See? And the parking lot is just right up there. That is the way we started. We went all the way around. Okay guys, so I am going to end the video here. Thank you for tuning in to this channel again. I do appreciate your support, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.